So this is AI Vision IoT. What we built here is using a simple camera and artificial intelligence to gather the object detection, a method called single-shot multi-box detection, to gather the information of the scene and report it back to the Google IoT core. And at the same time, we also build a dashboard that reflects of the data. So our first demo, as you can see, we have 4 bottles that's being tracked right now. This is basically pulled back through the stored on the Google Google Data Store query, and right now you can see that we have 4 bottles of milk. And if we were to remove 2, we would only have 2 left right here. As you can see from the scene here, that we have 2. That's 2 being detected. And we remove 1 more, then now we will only have 1. At the same time, we can actually change what the artificial intelligence can detect through the WIS 750 SR. So this is done in the socket and within the same Ethernet network over here. And this allows more security as well as much more immediate, let's say if we want to track people. So that, for the customers and as well as employees during the hours. As you can see, the data is reflected right here. And also right now there's only 1 person that's being detected, and that is me. And let's say we were to hide myself, the dashboard will reflect it right away over here. And similarly, we can actually detect cars, chairs, as well as all the other things that's trained under the single-shot detection neural network. How we built this is that we use the OpSquare board with the Movidius neural computing stick, and this way right now we're using a little PCIe over there. This allows us to do the inferencing in real time on the device itself. We're uploading the entire IoT data through the Helium Atom and the Helium Hub. The Helium Atom and Hub is basically connected directly to the Google IoT core, and this allows the data to be transferred seamlessly. And for the AI controlling part, we're using the WIS 750 SR, the serial to Ethernet port. So this way we can kind of track, all sorts of things through the devices right here. And right now we're basically tracking back the bottles instead. The neural network built in can track up to 20 things, but we can also download other neural network that can do a lot more. This entire project is being documented on Hackster.io. If you have any questions or or any ideas on how to improve this, feel free to comment on the project. Thank you.